Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add animations in Canva. Animations are a great way to make your designs, presentations, social media posts, and videos look more engaging and professional. So let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then create a new design or open an existing project where you want to add animations. Now, let's add something to animate. Go to the left sidebar and click Elements. Choose any shape, graphic, or icon and click on it to add it to your design. You can also use a text box or an image because Canva allows animations on text, photos, graphics, and many other elements. Once your object is on the canvas, click on it to select it. After selecting the object, you'll see the Animate button in the top toolbar. Click on Animate to open the animation panel. Here you'll find many different animation styles, such as rise, pop, fade, breathe, drift, pan, and several others. Simply click on any animation, and Canva will instantly apply it to your selected object. You'll immediately see a preview, so you can decide if that animation matches your design. If you don't like the first animation, don't worry. Just click on another animation style, and Canva will replace the previous one automatically. Feel free to try different effects until you find the one you like best. Animations aren't limited to graphics. You can also click on a text box, image, or another design element and repeat the same process. This lets you create smooth, eye-catching designs with animated text, photos, and icons. When you're finished, click the Preview button in the top right corner to watch your entire design with all the animations. If everything looks the way you want, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video if you want to keep the animations, and finally click Download to save your project. And that's it. That's how you can easily add animations in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can make your designs more creative, attractive, and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.